Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 5 best DJI drone. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 5 on the list is GoPro Parrot Drone. If you document your travels, you're probably familiar with GoPro. But did you know that they make more than just action cameras? The Parrot Drone, for example, is another one of their popular products. It's on the heavy side at 1,006 grams, which means you do need to register with the FAA before flying. However, it does come with the GoPro Hero 5 4K camera, so you can be sure that you'll get world-class image results. This includes 12-megapixel CMOS, a f/.3-inch sensors, and the ability to capture 4K video. Note that you must unscrew the propellers to fit the drone into its case. While it will take only a minute, this can be an inconvenience if you're traveling quickly. It also doesn't come with collision detection or auto-landing features. With that said, the Parrot Drone has tight controls that lets you fly it into small crevices and even indoors. It also boasts excellent stabilization and a rather silent operation. The number 4 on the list is Parrot Drone. Another small folding drone that is perfect for traveling is the Parrot Drone. In fact, this drone is one of our top choices for the best DJI alternatives. This portable drone weighs just 320 grams and measures just a bit longer than an average phone, making it a brilliant choice for longer travels and backpacking trips. One annoying thing about drones is they can be quite loud, but the Parrot Drone is incredibly quiet. It's actually one of the quietest drones out there, thanks to its light and wide propellers. Moreover, this drone offers beautiful 21MP photos and 4K videos, which are complemented with a 3-axis hybrid stabilization and up to 3x digital zoom when recording. The number 3 on the list is DJI Air Drone. The DJI Mavic Air 2s is considerably smaller and lighter than the Pro 2, which makes it the ideal choice if you're looking for something more compact. We recommend this drone to immortalize your remote adventures and long-term travels, as its weight of only 595 grams makes it easy to travel with. The drone camera quality is still laudable thanks to the 20MP 1-type CMOS sensors and lens that is equivalent to 22mm. This means you can shoot open vistas with the Mavic Air 2s. In addition to 3-axis gimbals, its ROX TDAs will give you extra stable and steady footage. This can be useful if you are recording outdoor activities that are faster and rougher. Even better, it can capture 5.4K 30p video for an extremely detailed result. It's an overall excellent drone with premium obstacle detection and avoidance, as well as automated flight and safety features. The number 2 on the list is DJI Mavic Drone. It is by no means heavy, coming in at only 907 grams. The DJI Mavic Pro offers some impressive features and picture quality. It's perfect for those who are looking to up their travel documentation game, as this drone can easily capture raw images and 10-bit 4K videos. One thing to note, however, is that when flying in areas where there are large mountains or rocks, then drone signal loss can be experienced. We haven't lost a drone yet, but it's something to be aware of. The Pro 2 specifically features high-quality Hasselblad cameras, which are known for its excellent camera quality and will give you stunning 20MP aerial shots. It features a superb gimbal so you can enjoy professional results even under bad weather conditions. The number 1 on the list is DJI Mini Ultralight and Foldable Drone. Our number 1 choice is, of course, from DJI. We recommend getting the Mini 2. Perfect regardless of your drone experience and fantastic if you are just starting out and looking for something robust yet extra affordable. Weighing in at only 249 grams, this drone doesn't require FAA registration to operate, although you will still need a license for commercial purposes. This is what makes this drone our top pick for travel purposes. In terms of spec, it is not quite as powerful as a couple other drones from DJI, such as the Mavic 3. For general travel purposes it offers more than enough but is more compact and lightweight, so is overall a better choice. Overall, it is an incredible drone and a much upgraded replacement to the famous DJI Spark.